YouTube, what is going on? Josh here with Second City Kicks, doing another sneaker video, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I know it's been a while, guys, since my last video, when I had the questions about people paying people to go to check them in at the stores. And like I said before, I've been kind of out of the game for a little bit. So luckily, I hit on these. I've hit on a couple other shoes. I've just been quick flipping them because it's just not something that interests me. But if the money's there, the money's there. You can call me a reseller if you want to, but I'm pretty sure everybody's resold shoes at some point in their life. So, but I got something I guess a little limited. I know these only released online, and I don't believe they released in stores on the day of release. I think a couple days after, a couple foot actions around the United States have gotten them. I did have the Blue Moons, but again, those didn't do it for me either. So now you already know what I'm talking about here. So we're gonna go ahead and just go and grab the box here for you guys real quick. And as you guys can see, it's a Nike box, Jordan box, if you will. And then you have there is the box label right there, so it goes and tells you what it is. So let's get into the shoe, guys, because nobody cares about the box. And I'm actually pleasantly surprised with these. These are really, really nice. And as you guys can see, I did sell these to StockX because I'm not really a Jordan guy, but if the money's there to be made, the money's there to be made. So if I'm a reseller, I'm a reseller. I apologize for anybody thought otherwise. But here's the shoe, guys. The Air Jordan 1 Clay Green, and this is part of the Best in Hand pack, I believe. There was this shoe, the Blue Moon, which is pretty much the same shoe, pretty much all together, minus the color, which was the Blue Moon, which is kind of like a faded royal blue. They also had the Ochre Yellows, and then they had the Track Reds. The Ochre Yellows and the Track Reds, I believe, are a European release only, and those will be, I guess they were postponed until May 9th. I know some shoe stores did leak pairs early, so there's that. But all in all, this shoe is very nice. I didn't have the bread toes, and I didn't have the shadow, so I can't do a comparison on the leather. But from what I'm hearing, both of those shoes had better leather on those pairs. But I can tell you that the suede on these is completely insane. As you guys can see, as I rub my finger across, you can see how it changes that color. So a very, very nice suede. The leather on the toe box is decent, but again, it's not great, and it does have a little bit of tumble. And then on the side of the panel here, you have more of that green suede on the Nike check, or the Nike swoosh, if you will. And then the leather underneath is a flat leather. So black flat leather across the toe box, green bottom, and again, the only difference between these and the blues are the color. So the sole on the blue is going to be blue, and then obviously the green is going to be blue as well. So leather up top, around the ankle collar is pretty stiff. It's not really plush, I guess. So for those of you that are looking for a review on quality is good. It's not great. As I've been saying with Jordan Brand for a while, they again, the price on these was only $160, so it's not too bad. Resale market was up to about the $300 in my size, which is size 13, and now has fallen down to right around $210, $215. The last time I checked was a couple days ago. They were down to like $205, so it's only like $30 over retail. So if you did strike out, $30 over retail isn't too bad if you're looking to get the whole set. Now, I know the Ochre Yellows and the Track Reds are going to be a little bit more difficult to get because, again, those are a European release only, so there's that. I hope to be back with you guys on Saturday. I'm actually going after the shattered backboard satin, the Air Jordan 1 satin shattered backboards. It's a women's exclusive, but again, it's a resale shoe because I can't fit them. If I could fit them, I'd probably keep them because I don't have the original shattered backboards or the reverse shattered backboards. So there's that. So, but these do come with black laces already inside the shoe, and then they come with a set of the clay green laces with the Jumpman logo on the bag. The bag is a little bit different. The bag is a lot bigger. So there's that. You have the Nike Air branding on the tongue right here in clay green. And then you have obviously all the writing that's always on the back of the other ones. The tongue itself is not leather. It is a nylon, as with most Jordans. Most Jordan 1s, they're usually nylon. But yeah, all in all, guys, nice shoe. Quality is mediocre. It's not great. It's not bad. It's just mediocre. But the suede on here is beautiful. The leather on here is decent. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about these shoes right here, the Air Jordan 1 Clay Green, best hands in the game, leave those down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer any questions you guys do have. Like I said, I hope to be back with you guys Saturday with the Air Jordan 1 Women's Satin Shattered Backwards. So if I don't see you guys then, I will see you guys with another shoe, I'm sure. There's quite a bit of stuff coming out here in the next couple weeks with Jordan Brand and Adidas. Adidas is kind of getting stale to me, so I'm kind of switching it up. But like I said, these were strictly for resale only, because the Jordan 1 is just not a comfortable shoe for me. Going from Ultra Boost to a Jordan 1 is like going from walking on a bag of marshmallows to, I guess, walking on a bag of 2x4s, if that's possible. So that's it, guys. I appreciate your time. If you guys did enjoy the video, please hit that subscribe. Please hit that like button. It goes a long way for me. I know I've been out of the game for a little while, so as you guys can see, I'm not in my normal background. I actually just picked these up from the post office, so or I'm sorry, UPS, because I had them held at the UPS store. So that's it, guys. I hope to see you guys Saturday with the Air Jordan 1 Satin Shattered Backwards. Thanks.